In the heart of Africa's dense rainforests, a creature of mythical allure and startling uniqueness awaits your discovery: the Okapi. With its striking resemblance to a striped zebra, the Okapi is, in fact, more closely related to the giraffe, yet it remained hidden from the Western world until the 20th century. Its shy, reclusive nature adds to the mystique. But what truly sets the Okapi apart are its extraordinary features. The elongated tongue, prehensile lips, and a remarkable ability to communicate through infrasound, an unheard language in the wild, unveil the secrets of this cryptic forest dweller, where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary